Welcome to Easy English. Today we will learn more about the words happy, new, and year. Let's start with the word happy. Happy is an adjective meaning delighted, pleased, or glad. You can be happy to see a person or be in a happy mood. I am happy to see you. Now let's look at the word new. New is an adjective meaning of recent origin, production or purchase. I'm new to this school. Did you play the new game? I saw your new car. Now let's look at the word year. Year is a noun meaning a period of 365 or 366 days. It is also the time taken by a planet to make one revolution around the sun. This is our year. I haven't seen you in over a year. What year is it? Let's put all three words together. Happy New Year. We use this expression to welcome the new year with happiness. Now let's pretend it's December 31st at 11:59 p.m. You hear the chant, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Happy New Year. I wish you a Happy New Year.